Hello everyone, my name is Nora from Muscular Vocal Training Berlin, and this time I'm going to talk about breathing and support. Okay, first things first. Your muscles need to be strong. I'm talking about your support system. So that means your rib cage and your diaphragm. Both need to be strong so you can hold a note. If you don't have strong muscles, you can't hold a very long note without hurting yourself. Okay, so let's get into it. For this video, we're going to use a candle and a napkin. The goal is singing any genre by using as much air as you really need. Except styles like Billie Eilish does, because it's a very breathy way of singing, because you're using too much breath and it will hurt or whatever. You can't sing it very long or very loud. In this kind of singing, you will have to use a microphone. Alright, so how to use your breath support. Let me show you in this video.
Alright, here we go. So now we're going to form our hands to scissors and place them around our rib cage. So you should feel with your thumb your lower ribs in your backside. Okay, so now we take our shoulders down and place our collarbone up. Alright, and now when we breathe in, everything should open up in your hands. So you should feel your rib cage expanding in your hands, basically. So, and that's our breath support. We need to hold this, and we need to hold this while we are singing or while we are talking for a while. And if you feel like you're losing your tautness, then you just take another breath. Okay, so another thing that's very important, don't use your stomach. Your stomach has nothing to do with your breath support. Because if you use your stomach, like let's say you're using your belly muscles and you're like tighten up everything, that won't be very helpful, because under your rib cage lies your diaphragm. And the diaphragm has to expand while inhaling and exhaling. It has movement. And if you use your stomach muscles, your diaphragm has no space to expand, and that's why you shouldn't do that.
Alright, so how to find out if you're using your breath support properly or not, or if you're wasting too much air while singing or speaking. There is a way to find out. So therefore, we're going to need a candle and a napkin. Alright, so let's go. What we're going to do with the candle is we're going to do everything we learned before. So we're using our breath support, and then we're going to sing in front of a candle. So place the candle as close as you can to your mouth without burning yourself, of course. All right, so, and now we're going to sing something. You shouldn't really breathe while having a candle in front of your mouth. And I'll say, hey, 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 hey. I said, hey, what's going on? Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Okay, so another example would be talking. Hi, my name is Nora. I'm 36 years old, and I am owner of the company Muscular. And today I'm going to show you this exercise to use proper breath control. And now I'm going to show you how not to do it. Let it be. That was fast. Okay, I'm going to try again to do it the wrong way. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be, speaking. That's it. Hi, my name is Nora, and today I'm going to show you how to do this exercise and how to not speak, because this will take too much breath, and how not to. Okay, so now we're going to do the same thing with a napkin. All I need is a napkin. Let it be, let it be, let it be, let it be. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Alright, that's it for today. Was it helpful for you? Let me know in the comment section. And did it work out with the napkin or with the candle? Let me know. I will be happy to hear it. And if you have any other subject you want me to talk about, just write it down in the comment section and we'll see if we can make a video out of it. Alright, so have a good one, happy singing, and like we say in German, tschüss!